Here is the garden update. This is approximately a month and a half or so after I trimmed everything back and strained some of these roses. And I apologize for the quality of the video, as I was not home during this peak bloom time, so it was videoed by my son. This yellow rose is in its second season, and it is stunning right now. And it's a yellow climbing rose from Nelson's Roses of Winter Garden, Florida. And here is the Eden climbing rose, and this is on its second spring. First spring was bare root, and second spring it's doing a beautiful flush of roses. Here is a climbing blush rose that's going up and over the garage. Another rose in my garden that does really well is the Katrina rose, or also known as the Peggy Martin rose. And it is climbing up over the arbor, and then some of it extends past the arbor onto the screen porch. This is one of the rose trees that I have, and it's called Over the Edge.